What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make clickable app bar. Let's start it. At the first you have to go and make an ID. For this I choose ID, go back, and also we have to create and clickable. Let's work with it. Clickable, true, on click, go back. Let's make for an image view, clickable, true, and on click, share. Let's go to the image view, make it clickable. Now let's go to the main activity. When some user or a user click on some button, it perform a task. Let's work on it. For this we have to create a method for this. We have 3 methods. Let's copy this, paste it here and paste here. 1 method for go back icon, 1 method for share icon, and 1 method for search icon. Now when a user click on go back, it shows something. Let's copy this and paste it here, and also paste it here. And user when click at the search icon, shows the search icon clicked. When clicked at the share icon, it shows the share icon clicked. Now our project is ready. Let's see it. Now let's click at the go back icon. It doesn't work. Let's go to the activity main, and here yes, I have chosen a wrong unclickable, a wrong ID. Now I fixed, and also this fixed. Now let's run our program. Let's click at the go back icon. Yes, go back is clicked. Let's click at the share icon. Share is clicked, and let's click at the search icon. Search is clicked. You have to be careful for this, that this method name is matched with this ID on click. With this, that with this should match. Thanks for your attention guys, and don't forget to support us. You can support us with like, comment, and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.